The Westerly House sign stands prominently in a vertical alignment along the side of the brick building. The double doors open to the clubhouse. The back set of the clubhouse's double doors open to the pool area. The paseo courtyard and grill area is furnished with chaise lounges and poolside loungers. Inside, the co-working space offers a lounge with personal offices and phone booths. The desks in the lounge are furnished with 4 swivel chairs. Stepping out to the pool area, there are 2 sets of in-water loungers complete with fountains. The extended pool is framed by loungers on both sides. The lady opens the double doors and steps out onto the balcony. In the nearby Volta bar, the bartender mixes exotic drinks. The resident opens the door marked "Welcome to Elegy." An impression of an eye is illustrated on the glass. At the rooftop Skyline Lounge, a couple leans against a railing, enjoying a dialogue on a sunny day. In the corner, slatted rocking chairs frame a rectangular fire pit. The couple steps back into the clubhouse, cloistering by the billiards table in the gaming area. They sit on an upholstered L-shaped sofa and continue their dialogue. A short trip to downtown Nashville leads one to the Abba, a Mediterranean restaurant with a California influence. Nearby is located the Sicilian Butcher, which offers pasta and meatballs, a bar and outdoor seating under patio umbrellas. Back at the Westerly House, a day would not be complete without a workout at the 2-level fitness center. The fitness center is stocked with cardio machines, lifting equipment, and free weights. Outside, a dog romps on the lawn at the dog park and spa. The bird's eye view of the pool area reveals 3 hammock chairs on a strip that extends into the hot tub. As day drifts into dusk, friends gather at the rooftop lounge, which offers outdoor table and chair sets. As the birds fly over the multi-story Westerly House, they careen past the highway on their way toward the Great Smoky Mountains.